What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about how you guys can get your initial 10 reviews for your product. Now you guys are probably wondering, can I do 7 reviews? Can I just have 5 reviews? The answer is yes, but guys, you want as many. Alright, so the answer is yes, but you guys got to remember that having more is always better. Because 10 reviews is going to look much different from actually having 5 or 7 or however many you want. That's under 10. So just go all the way. Just get the 10 reviews. Get 5 verified, 5 unverified. So you're probably wondering as well, can I just get all 10 unverified reviews? Now, verified reviews actually have a higher weight than unverified reviews. I forget how it works, but just make sure you have an even amount between the two, because of course, when you go on let's say I'm a customer or something like that, and I go on a listing and I see that one or most of the reviews are unverified as compared to verified purchases. Of course, me as a buyer, I'm like, okay, maybe these reviews are a little bit sketchy. I'm gonna go on a different listing that has more verified reviews. So of course you got to take that in consideration. So just get half and half of each. So just get 10 reviews. So the first way we're going to talk about how you guys can get these initial reviews is going on Facebook and joining these Amazon niche groups. So if you go on YouTube, you'll be able to find people like Derek Struggle, Tanner J. Fox, or Dan Voss. All these people have Amazon FBA groups, and I'm sure there's a ton of other people. And some of them you might have to actually, some of them you might actually have to buy their course to be in their group. I know Derek Struggle recently changed it, the guidelines for his group for that, so I got kicked out of that. So for Dan Voss, you can actually join his group, and you can go in here, and of course everyone in this group are either starting a product or they're researching a product. So everyone's, it's a tight niche, so everyone on there is probably going to be willing to leave a review for a review. So it's people in here that you can trust. So you can go ahead and you can search on here Amazon Freedom Entrepreneurs, or you can go on Elite Entrepreneurs, which is of course Taryn J. Fox's open group. And you can go in here as well and ask people, can I get a review for a review? Or don't do coupon things where you give somebody a coupon and then they buy their product and then leave a review. I heard that Amazon actually doesn't allow that, so anyone that buys your product through a coupon code, they can't actually leave a review for you. And make sure when you're doing these verified reviews, make sure they buy your product in full. You want to have the best optimization for your product for your price, so just trying to keep that in mind. For your unverified reviews though, just make sure that you do them after your product gets in. That goes for verified and unverified, because we're trying to do this within Amazon's TOS, or terms of service. So just try and keep, of course there's some bending of the rules that you have to do, like contacting friends and all that other stuff, which is the second way we're going to talk about how you guys can get your reviews. So you have all these friends on Facebook, right? You can go ahead and ask each one of them. Of course, try and stay away from asking people that are friends that are in your state, or people that you shared Wi-Fi with, or people that that you've had some direct connection to in the past. So basically, people that you made friends with, let's say in some entrepreneur group like Elite Entrepreneurs, or Amazon Freedom Entrepreneurs, whatever group that you're in, you can go ahead and ask for a review on there. It doesn't really matter, that's fine. Just make sure that you don't have any ties with them. So when you actually ask for a review from them, make sure that right when they're about to leave the review, you unfriend them. This is just extra safety precautions just to make sure Amazon doesn't catch up with you, because they have a weird algorithm similar to Facebook when it comes to catching people. If you guys have done Amazon or Facebook ads before, you'll probably know how sneaky Facebook is and how crazy their algorithm is in banning people. So, yep, just like I said, extra safety precautions. Now the third way that you guys can actually do this, generally I haven't done this before. I don't think I am going to do it. Is actually go search on Facebook for Amazon review groups. Now Amazon review groups, there's a ton of them on here. Of course, you're always running the risk of you actually getting your product stolen, or someone having an extra competitor on your product just because you post it in there. And I'm sure there might be tons of people in there that you don't really know they're just lurking, trying to find a product that they can actually do. So I honestly don't recommend this one too much. So I just stay away from these and stick to asking your friends or going into these small Amazon FBA niches from YouTubers that you see. So yeah, guys. Honestly, I think that's the best way that you can do it. Is go into the Amazon Freedom Entrepreneurs group, or go to Elite Entrepreneurs. And then when you actually make these proposals on here, don't just be like, oh, I want a review. I was wondering if anyone can give me a review. Of course, there might be some people that will give you it, but at the same time, you want to incentivize. You want to get people that actually want to leave a review for you. So just go ahead and be like, hey, I'll leave a review for a review. I'll leave a verified review for a verified review. With pictures, etc. And make sure, guys, when you do your reviews for your product or get your reviews for your product, make sure the very first review is a verified one, and it is also one with pictures. And when these people write your reviews for you, make sure you tell them what to write. Don't have them personally write a review. I know it's against terms of service, I believe, for Amazon, but we have to manipulate the system somehow in order to step our game up ahead of all the other competitors. So basically telling the customers what they want to hear when it comes to writing these reviews. So like I said, if you guys notice on Amazon, when you look, I think I'll be able to pull one up. I'm not sure, but if you go on Amazon and you look at certain niches with good products in them, a lot of them will actually have as a first review on there, a verified one, plus pictures on there, and the actual reviewer talking about how good this product is, how good it is compared to other people, etc. So it's a lot to consider when you guys jump into Amazon FBA. There are a whole bunch of little things that you guys have to do in order to get the jump on people and other competitors. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about in this video. It wasn't really too in-depth, but just a general overview of what you guys can do in order to get your initial 10 reviews for Amazon FBA in 2018. So one last thing that I forgot to mention for you guys is that you guys can use automated email services. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there are some people out there that are able to get like 50 reviews within a month. I saw one seller, I think, for my product, he was able to get I think he jumped from 50 reviews all the way up to 112 or something like that within the span of a month, which is actually pretty crazy. And he did this by using email autoresponders. And by doing this, when someone actually receives their product, or you wait maybe a couple of days after they receive it, you send them an email out and be like, hey, I'm glad you got our product. It'd be great if you guys can actually leave a honest review for our company to let us know what you think of it. And of course, when you're sending this out, don't demand a review. Don't be like, oh, please leave a positive review or really good review that's going to help us, or blah blah blah. Of course, that's against terms of service. You get caught with that, Amazon will probably destroy your account or something like that. So this is the third or fourth way, I believe, you guys can actually do get your initial reviews for Amazon FBA. Honestly, I recommend the previous ways that I talked about before. Of course, have your autoresponder set up before you actually do your product launch and stuff, but this way you can get a lot of reviews in a short amount of time. So yeah, that's basically all I want to talk about, and I'll see you guys in the next video.